Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to download QuillBot on your device. QuillBot is a powerful writing tool that helps you paraphrase, summarize and improve your content easily. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type QuillBot and tap on Enter. You will see QuillBot AI writing keyboard in the search results. Tap on it. Finally, tap on Install to download the app to your device. And that's how you can download QuillBot on your device. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.